Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you are trying to avoid the dreaded dried out killed grass or vegetable garden like we were, then you will also love this oscillating sprinkler from Melnor. Now, what I like about this sprinkler is we can use it both for our grass to keep it nice and green, but we can also use it in our vegetable garden too. It allows us to customize the width, the flow, and even the direction in which the sprinkler shoots out the water, which makes it super convenient in making sure every area that we need to get some water gets some water. We typically move it a few times around our yard, and I would say we have a medium-sized yard. So typically moving it 2 to 3 times allows us to get full coverage in our yard. Now, I really appreciate the adjustments that we can make. I like that we can change it so that it's really only going into a specific area by adjusting the width or the flow of it. I also really like how easy it is to use. It comes with an adapter that we connected to our hose, so when we use this, we actually do not have to sit there and screw it onto our hose every single time. With the adapter, it's a simple pull back and easy connection to the end of the sprinkler. So if you need a little help greening up your grass or just a little sprinkler to have some fun in, then check out this one from Melnor. And that's just our point of view.